Hey guys, John here from Diode Dynamics. Today we're excited to introduce two new light bar kits for the Toyota 4Runner. Our first kit is our dual 6-inch SAE Lightbar Kit for the 2014 through 2021 TRD Pro and the 2014 through 2019 Toyota 4Runner. And the second kit is going to be our 30-inch Stealth Lightbar Kit, which is for the 2014 through 2019 Toyota 4Runner. Our dual 6-inch SAE Lightbar Kit allows for you to mount two of our 6-inch light bars behind the upper portion of your factory grille. This isn't just for off-road use. Available in our SAE driving and SAE fog beam pattern options, this makes it legal for on-road use as a factory fog lamp or auxiliary high beam, although we do advise checking with your local laws before installing. With our 30-inch Stealth Lightbar Kit, you have the option to mount one or two of our 30-inch Stage Series light bars behind the lower portion of your factory grille. These brackets were designed for full customization, featuring multiple mounting holes, so you can mount a single 30-inch light bar or dual 30-inch light bars in the configuration of your choice. This kit is available in our driving optic, which shines light downrange in a focused rectangular pattern, as well as our combo optic, which combines our driving and flood that shines light downrange while also adding a large area of added fill light directly in front of the vehicle. Unlike generic light bar kits in the market that require you to make irreversible modifications such as cutting or drilling to the frame or body of your vehicle, our engineers have CAD designed both these brackets to bolt directly to factory mounting locations using a thick gauge powder-coated stainless steel. Not only do these kits give your 4Runner a clean and subtle off-road appearance, but provide a significant increase in nighttime visibility. Best of all, they can be installed in your garage using basic hand tools. If you're looking to pick up a light bar kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.